What is up, guys? Thank you so much for watching. My name is Mezena. I'm currently a student of HCI, and I find that I always get questions on what a health coach is. So HCI, I'll backtrack a little bit, is Health Coach Institute. They're basically an online school for teaching people how to become health coaches. It's an amazing program. If you are curious about that program itself, I made another video and it explains it, and I'll just put it into my links below. If you want to know what a health coach actually does, please keep watching because I'm going to explain it all right here, right now, with all the most common questions I get. So usually whenever I tell people, usually when I tell people I'm a health coach, they're like, what is that? And before, whenever I signed up to become a health coach, I actually didn't really know, and I heard people that were health coaches, and I feel like a lot of people kind of assume it's like a nutritionist or a dietitian or some kind of it's like that little weird area. So I'm just going to clarify that we're not a nutritionist, we're not a dietitian. Basically, what we do is, as health coaches, is we help you form new habits. So if you are, most common habitual issues that people have are cravings or binge eating, or, overall body image, really poor body images, and overeating, just emotional eating is another big one. We basically help you understand those habits and then help you rewire your system so you can form new lasting habits that are in alignment and congruent with your lifestyle that you actually desire. So we are not a nutritionist, we're not dietitians, we're not doctors, we're not a therapist either. We're kind of just like that weird in between. Basically what we are is an accountability partner. So we help you master habitual change. It's a system that we give you that will give you results. So a lot of people, they know what they should be eating, and it's not like they want to be eating crappy. It's not like they want to be skipping out of the gym. It's not like they want to be tired in the middle of the afternoon. It's quite simply the fact that they just have these habits into their system that they don't really know how to address. So it's one thing to know what to do, and it's another thing to have somebody kind of guide you through the process of how to just tweak your life in little tiny steps to be able to come out at the other end with those exact habits that you would desire. Another good thing is that a health coach will help you understand your relationship with your body and your food and how you perceive your body. So a big thing is body image and the mindset of how you perceive food and how you perceive your body. They're huge things. A lot of people think it's just simply eating, and it actually has a lot to do with your mindset and how you think about things. So we really shift your focus from really negative ways of thinking about your body and food to super positive ways that are going to really enforce those amazing new habits and keep you going on a great track, and that changes forever. You don't just learn something and then lose it. So you learn really great structured ways of thinking and perceiving things so that you can carry on after you are done with your health coach. So health coaches don't really focus on why you're doing certain things. We really focus on how you do things and how you can experience things differently. So we really don't want to analyze it and beat it to death. We just want to understand what you're doing and how to experience what you really want to be doing. So basically we use your senses and your brain patterns to rewrite your automatic response, and we walk you through all of that, and it's really amazing. So hopefully that answered all of your questions. Basically, in a nutshell, health coaches are these accountability partners. Oh, and also don't ever think that your health coach has it all together. This is the most beautiful part, is your health coach is always on its journey, their journey as well. So you get to learn alongside of them. They're not know-it-alls. I don't know a bunch of chemistry and biology and insane amount of information. Health coaches are just there to hold a space for you and listen to you and ask questions that probably nobody else asks. These questions are really amazing, and the way that you can just look at life a lot differently is just so it's so eye-opening, right? So anyways, I hope I answered your questions. If you have any more questions, please just comment below and I will probably make another video or just respond to you. And if you're looking for more health coach advice, I'm actually going to make videos on here all the time. So please hit subscribe and like this video, because I always give free information out, just basically anything to help you guys. I just love empowering people to live their life to their healthiest potential, because when you don't feel good, you don't do shit. So I think everybody deserves to feel amazing and 110%. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you taking the time of your day, and I hope this was helpful. Bye.